Day two went pretty smooth. We started off the day recapping what all we did yesterday with learning new information on the tablet. Today we dove more into detail on how to create estimates for larger renovations and larger repairs on people's irrigation systems. It's a little bit different than just your average go change a couple heads on our regular detail tickets. So we learned that. We went downstairs and did some more scenarios on the best ways to upsell a little bit, and also just customer interaction, to increase our customer service, make that top notch, because here at Pacific, that's what we're all about, is making the customer happy and having having 5-star customer service. We did that, took a little lunch break, came back in, went back over more renovation stuff on our tablet, more in depth, than digging deeper into all that, the more technical side of that. Worked on that for about an hour or so, then went back downstairs. And Steve D went through all different kinds of controllers on our control wall. We had countless controllers. He showed us how to use them and whatnot. Gave us the run through. Even went through some basic plumbing things on what happens if you hook up a water softener over the winter. You're going to have loss of pressure possibly. So stuff like that. It was definitely very exciting.
All right, how do you feel so far? You feel confident to get out there and start banging out service work?
Oh yeah, my skill set's definitely broadened since the couple days I've been here. These guys at Pacific, their training program is top notch. I commend them very much. It's awesome. I love it. Loving every second of it.